In a significant development for India's overseas energy portfolio, Oil India Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited, in consortium with Sipex Algeria as the operator, have announced a successful oil and gas discovery in Contract Area 95/96 located in Libya's Ghadames Basin. A joint vigilance conference of NTPC Limited, THDC India Limited and North Eastern Electric Power Corporation was successfully held on April 23, 2026 at Vivanta, Shillong. The conference centered on the theme Vigilance, Administration and Digital Initiatives. NLC India Limited inaugurated the renovated Anbalayam Daycare Center at Block 12 on April 22, 2026, reaffirming its commitment to employee welfare and community well-being. The event witnessed enthusiastic participation from partners in progress of NLCIL, parents, employees, contract workmen, and officials of the Lions Club of Neyveli Lignite City, which will continue to operate the center. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited has partnered with the District Administration Jharsuguda to roll out Phase 2 of a CCTV-based smart surveillance system aimed at strengthening security, traffic management, and public safety across Jharsuguda. In a major milestone for India's digital transformation journey, Google has officially broken ground on its landmark India AI Hub in Visakhapatnam, marking the company's largest investment in India's digital infrastructure to date. RailTel Corporation of India Limited announced on April 28, 2026 that it has secured a significant work order from the Directorate of Higher Education Himachal Pradesh. The contract, valued at approximately 20 crore 35 lakh 24,096 rupees, inclusive of taxes, focuses on the digital transformation of the state's academic infrastructure. NTPC Limited has issued a limited e-procurement tender for the annual maintenance contract AMC of critical systems supporting a 4 megawatt peak solar project at its EOC Noida office. The tender was published on April 28, 2026, with the bid opening scheduled for May 8, 2026. Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, announced the signing of a memorandum of settlement between the Narora Parmanu Urja Vidyut Kendra Karamchari Union and the Narora Atomic Power Station, facilitated by the Regional Labour Commissioner Noida. Power sector financing giant REC Limited has announced a strong shareholder reward along with its FY26 financial results, declaring a total dividend of 18 rupees and 55 paise per share for the financial year 2025-26. The dividend includes 17 rupees per share interim dividend already paid during the year and a final dividend of 1.55 rupees per share subject to shareholder approval at the upcoming AGM. The Government of India, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training has approved the extension of tenure of Shri Santosh Kumar, IFOS AG MUT 1993, as Chief Vigilance Officer of National Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited, Delhi.